Magloubit Batinjaan, upside-down eggplant casserole. A side dish from Israel. Serves
You will need
4
13
ingredients. Step 1. Peel eggplants, cut into cubes, sprinkle with salt and set aside for at least 1 hour. Soak the rice in boiling water to cover for 1 hour or more. All this could be done in the morning if you're planning to cook the meal in the afternoon. Squeeze eggplant to remove excess water and deep fry in oil, in batches, until well browned. Remove with a slotted spoon and transfer to a heavy casserole pot. Pour out most of the oil, leaving 5 to 6 tablespoons in the pot. Remove lid. Invert a large platter until the top of the pot and flip over pot and platter together so the meal settles on the platter. And mix together well. Serve garnished with fried pine nuts. Spoon over meat mixture. Garnish platter with either parsley or cilantro or fresh coriander. Serve with a salad of your choice. Some people omit the flipping. It is also delightfully delicious with yogurt on the side. They just mix it together. Squeeze lemon juice over individual servings if desired. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.